We are in Fort Smith, just off the bypass at Take 5 Car Wash, doing another one of Aiden's car wash videos. There's quite a lot of space between the vacuum stalls. This is the west side of the building with their Take 5 sign. The windows are tinted, so I can't get a shot of the working car wash system. It'd be nice if they weren't tinted so we can see in. They have a really nice detail center, lots of bottles and lots of clean towels. Aiden hard at work cleaning the windows.
Here, where are we going? Okay. At the bottom of the windshield. On the other, keep going. Yes. The cloth goes in there. Yes, and put that spray bottle back in there.
Looks like we're all done with the cleaning of the inside and vacuuming. Now we're going to proceed on to the wash.
Let's do the car right here, version. There we go, it's passed. Let's go to the car wash, guys. Please enjoy the video. I can see that.
Where are we at, Aiden?
I take 5.
Take 5 car wash?
Yeah, I want to go about the car wash.
Are we going to get the top wash?
Yes. Let me see what.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe let me guess.
How y'all doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Y'all ever been with us before?
This would be our second time.
Second time. Cool. Well, I would like to throw that out there to you guys that we do offer these 2 washes right here as our top 2. This right here has all of our options that we throw in there: pre-soak, shampoo wash, spot-free rinse, tire shine, ceramic shield. Really is one of our best options for our price. And then below that is the next option that we offer, and that's 22. And then the cool thing is if we keep going down, the more that we go down, the cheaper it gets. But one of the cool things is right here. Wait, we'll go to here actually. So boom, this is our unlimited screen. And our unlimited screen, basically what this means is it's the same price as a retail. So for $27, $22, $17, y'all can come through for the next 30 days as much as y'all would like to, at any of our locations. And the cool thing is we don't just have this one location. We have 4 in the immediate area. So 3 here in Fort Smith, 1 in Van Buren. Also have in Fayetteville, Centerton, Russellville, Conway, Little Rock, Sherwood, Bryant, Texas, Louisiana, Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, kind of all over the United States. And if you buy any of those right there, the minute that you buy it, you're able to go through for those however long you keep the pass. It goes 30 days at a time, and then it'll recharge you. And then you go through as much as you'd like it in those locations.
Yeah.
How's y'all's day going so far, though?
So far, so good. About your day?
You know, it's going great.
That's awesome.
Had an XPT go down on me this morning because of some technical issues, but other than that, we're still running, so we're good to go.
That's good.
Yeah. All right, and then it's going to ask if y'all would like y'all's receipt. Oh,
No
or it's going to
receipt.
print it out.
Oh, okay. No. All right. Well, thank you.
Y'all have a great day.
Likewise.
I hold it, Dad. That's why I'm gonna do this. Doesn't this make any sense for
Where all the windows are closed.
I will.
This is the tunnel system, guys, in front of the camera.
We got the top wash.
Oh yeah, we got the top.
Kind of loud where they put the equipment right next to the entrance to the
This is
Baywatch.
the tunnel system, guys, in front of the camera.
We got the top wash.
Oh yeah, we got the top wash, guys. Anyway, that was, dude, that was so. It was so amazing on video. Mm. I'm gonna do the front view of this.
That's more. So they have the side brushes.
What's this called, Aiden? What are these? What are these we're going through? Was this what's this pre-soak lava looking thing?
Oh, I know what
I've never seen this color before.
No, I never.
Yeah, this is a new color for me.
Good coverage.
Look at that.
Pre-soak.
Pre-soak?
Lava looking thing.
Oh, I know what.
I've never seen this.
No, I never.
Yeah, it's a new
That's pretty cool. That's
Yeah.
a good coverage.
Yes, it is. There's the brushes.
Side brushes.
I'll have to go. Alright.
got some brushes.
The
But
curtains.
I'm really trying to look around at the same time. This all at once.
What's the top brush called?
The top brush?
Emitter?
Middle side. You said top brush.
Bitter.
Emitter.
Okay. And the side brush and
Alright,
the pressure wash.
Oh, I'm gonna mix this. Oh wow, that's neat. I just forgot. Oh, this is a hot flash on top of the hood.
That's pretty cool.
I just want to see on the front. Dude, that's so
And what is this one? Bitter?
I don't know. I always get it wrong sometimes. I know. I had that too. But it's black too. It's black.
Yeah.
I never see black. I seen it before. And we got the dryer.
Final rinse. We got the dryers going. Those got decent dryers going.
Final rinse, dryer.
I was up to sell with those dryers. I like the dryers in the end. Nice.
You like the dryers?
I do. It's just really, I like it. It's just how I do it. That's me. That's the guy. That's the guy at the top, man.
Alright.
I have to say, thanks so much.
Thanks so much.
I have to say that.